Hi, here are some of the ways to run JavaScript code purely for learning purposes. 1 is online. There are different online editors like Javascript and CodePen, etc. Javascript don't have inbuilt console, so we have to add it as an external resource to use console for debugging. We can provide a resource link to any required library here. The link for console library is in the description. Copy that and paste it in the resource space. Now you will be able to see the log message in Javascript. Second one is using a browser. We can use the most popular browser Chrome to run and debug JavaScript code. Open Chrome, click on the 3 dots on top corner of the browser. Move the mouse to More Tools and then click Developer Tools. Make sure you are on the Sources tab and Snippets section. You can add your JavaScript code on the main.js and click on Run. We can see the result in the console at the bottom. Chrome also has a set of inbuilt debugging tools for JavaScript. Third is using Visual Studio Code. Open Visual Studio Code. Open a new folder and create a file using this button. Name the file anything you want. Here, for example, main.js. Type your code here. Now go the extension by clicking here. Search for Code Runner and click Install. We may have to restart the VS Code for the new extension to take effect. This extension will help you run JavaScript code. Now go to main.js. Now you can see a play symbol here. Click on it. The code will be executed and the output will be displayed below. You can use any of the 3 ways to test running your JavaScript code during your learning phase. Thank you. See you on the next video.